While the specific application of biophilic design can vary widely depending on the context and goals of a project, there are several key principles that underlie this approach. The principles which we'll explore in greater depth throughout this course include direct connection with nature, which is incorporating natural elements like plants, water and natural light into the built environment. Then there's an indirect connection with nature, meaning the use of natural materials, patterns and forms that evoke a sense of the outdoors. Then there's space and place, and this involves creating spatial configurations that remind us of natural environments such as open flowing spaces with a sense of prospect and refuge. We also have natural rhythms and processes, and this involves integrating natural cycles and rhythms such as changes in light and temperature into the design of a space. And finally, there are evolved human-nature relationships. This is all about designing spaces that support the innate human need for exploration, discovery and connection to the natural world. Now, to help bring these principles to life, let's take a look at a few notable examples of biophilic design in action. One of the most striking examples is the Amazon Spheres in Seattle, Washington. Completed in 2018, this iconic building features 3 interconnected domes that house over 40,000 plants from around the world, and this creates an immersive indoor rainforest experience for Amazon employees. Another powerful example of biophilic design can be found in the Bosco Verticale, or vertical forest in Milan, Italy. Designed by architect Stefano Boeri, this pair of residential towers features over 900 trees and 20,000 plants on their balconies and facades, and this creates a living, breathing ecosystem in the heart of the city. And in addition to providing a stunning visual spectacle, the vegetation helps to improve air quality, reduce urban heat island effects, and create a habitat for birds and insects. Now, in addition to its benefits for human well-being, biophilic design also has important implications for sustainability and resilience. By incorporating natural elements and processes into the built environment, biophilic design can help to reduce energy consumption, improve air and water quality, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. From green roofs and living walls to passive ventilation and daylighting strategies, the principles of biophilic design offer a powerful tool set for creating buildings that are both beautiful and environmentally responsible. As the benefits of biophilic design become more widely recognized, this approach is gaining traction in the fields of architecture, interior design and urban planning. And many cities and organizations are now incorporating biophilic principles into their building codes and design guidelines, recognizing the value of creating environments that support human health and well-being while also promoting sustainability and resilience. While much of the focus on biophilic design has been in the context of public and commercial spaces, this approach is equally important in the context of residential homes. After all, our homes are the places where we spend a majority of our time and where we have the greatest control over our environment. By incorporating biophilic elements into our homes, we can create living spaces that are not just beautiful and functional, but also deeply nourishing and restorative. So how can you start with biophilic design in your home? Well, the good news is there are many simple and affordable ways to incorporate natural elements and principles into your living space. Now, some of these ideas might include adding plants and greenery, whether it's a few potted plants on a windowsill or a full-scale living wall. Incorporating plants into your home can have a profound impact on your sense of well-being and connection to nature. There's also maximizing natural light, so opening blinds and curtains, installing skylights or light tubes, or using reflective surfaces to bounce light around a space can help to create a sense of spaciousness and connection to the outdoors. There's also incorporating natural materials. So using stone, wood, clay, or other natural materials in your flooring, furniture, and decor, this can help to create a sense of warmth and texture that evokes the natural world. There's also creating a connection to the outdoors. So by adding windows or glass doors to provide views of nature, or creating outdoor living spaces like patios or balconies. This can help to blur the boundaries between indoors and out. There's also using nature-inspired patterns and forms. So incorporating organic shapes, fractal patterns, or nature-inspired colours and textures into your design, this can create a subconscious sense of connection to the outdoors.